Evacuation centers play a fundamental role in managing the impacts of a natural disaster in protecting the lives of vulnerable communities at risk before a disaster. Families face significant challenges due to extreme weather and natural disasters. These include elevated sea levels and heavy rain. An evacuation center and church was built through the assistance facilitated by the Ministry of Multi-Ethnic Affairs, providing shelter to more than 42 residents. The community received more than $12,000 from the government through direct hardware supplies for building materials.
I thank the Almighty God for listening to our prayers for a long time ago, and I thank the government for nowadays giving us a wonderful project grant approval of grant as it was application for the church and also for our evacuation center. Thanks for the government for this wonderful approval for this project. I'm here from when I was born. Some houses here is not granted as 5 category, and we we applied this so to secure us through the climate change. Some houses here still built before, so we need a house to protect us during hurricane season. That's why we applied this for. Before this project, we stay a bit distance far away from this our brothers and sisters place. Before the project, we were very far each other. At the moment, during this project rebuilding, it brings us close as a family. It binds us together from giving and working together as a family. We are really happy, and also that's our father and a grandfather for this place. We are really happy receiving this project. I hope it will be give us a heart of encourage us working together, and especially for our young generation.
Beyond physical safety, the grant has fostered strong unity, bringing families and generations closer through shared labor and mutual support. The construction of these buildings were a collaborative effort carried out directly by the community members working together. Through this support, the community, including fishermen and elders, says that this initiative will benefit future generations.
Sometimes here, sonong rendre yang bola pai labo, sindirawan we can rebuild our own. So we need some grant from assistance from the government. So this one is our first project here, and we're really happy. Here, some of us are working at the moment. Some we are going out fishing, and some we are staying home. I would like to thank the government of now. Thank you very much for the approval for our project, our evacuation center and our church. And I would like to thank my brothers for supporting building our evacuation center. We have timbers around the areas, and the challenge is we can just cut the timber and build our own house, because we need the chemical to apply in our timbers so that the termite cannot be, insect cannot be damaging the wood, and that chemical at the moment we can get in So we call biosecurity. So we need them to come and to spray the chemical through the timber so that no insect can go through the timber. We got 6 houses, as I mentioned before. These 6 houses, we got only one our supplier from the water authority, and that supplier, that meter, it doesn't work every nowadays. Sometimes it work only night time, mostly on night time. So in the whole night, the pressure cannot fill the 15,000 liter water tank. So we had our own creek on top of the mountain. We are drinking from there to support the water system in our village. So we thank the government for giving us another 15,000 water tank to support us during dry season.